হায়দ্রাবাদের একটি বেসরকারি স্কুলকে ঘিরে তৈরি হয়েছে বড় বিতর্ক। অভিযোগ, এক হিন্দু পড়ুয়াকে বাড়ির কাজ হিসেবে ইসলাম ধর্মের কালমা মুখস্থ করতে বলা হয়েছিল। আর এই অভিযোগ সামনে আসতেই ক্ষোভে ফেটে পড়েন ওই ছাত্রের পরিবার। বিষয়টি প্রকাশ্যে আসার পর শুরু হয়েছে পুলিশি তদন্ত। জানা গিয়েছে, ওই ছাত্রের হোমওয়ার্ক ডায়েরিতে কালমা এবং সূরা ফাতিহা পড়ার নির্দেশ লেখা ছিল। সেই ডায়েরির ছবি সোশ্যাল মিডিয়ায় ছড়িয়ে পড়তেই বিতর্ক আরও তীব্র হয়ে ওঠে। অভিযোগ ওঠে, একটি ধর্মীয় পাঠ সব ছাত্রছাত্রীদের ওপরে চাপিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে কিনা তা নিয়ে প্রশ্ন তুলছেন অভিভাবকেরা। আর সেই ভিডিও দেখাচ্ছি আপনাদের।
What you are telling right now, it is mandatory and it is, wait, let me talk, and it is mandatory on every children's book. Then you should also write that Bhagavad Gita is mandatory. Wait, excuse me, पहले भी लिखा था, strike off क्या है previous paper में. I am not going to leave this. Muttam मिला किसका?
Not mandatory for.
It is not mandatory for us. Get every diary, each and every diary.
No. Actually, teacher.
రాయనమే తప్పు రాయొద్దు. ఎందుకు రాస్తారు? ఎందుకు రాస్తారు? బై మిస్టేక్ ఎట్లా రాస్తారు? బుర్ర ఉండి కావాలని బై మిస్టేక్ ఎట్లా రాస్తారు?
It's your a religious matter.
Religious matter, you cannot write that in the Hindu people books. No, that is completely a misunderstanding. That is completely a misunderstanding. We are not misunderstanding. How can you write that in a diary?
অভিভাবিকা সুপ্রিয়া গৌর কি বলছেন শুনবো।
I went to the school to pick my nephew up, and I saw his diary was something which is not related to the subject, and I saw teacher writing to read kalma, to read surah fateh. That is absolutely wrong. To even in this today's generations, if we point out something, if we question something which is wrong, is also becoming the wrong thing. So I just want to tell one thing. If you're giving education, just do that. You should not impose anyone to proclaim, you just don't impose students to do that. It is absolutely wrong. Students from different religions, from different aspects, they are coming to get the education, they are coming for quality of education. Just give that, and you have no one has any rights or any authority to impose them to read those spiritual books, to read those religious books. First of all, reading kalma and surah fateh is not a subject, it is a religious book. Just put it in that way. Do not mix it up with religious books. And if you want to make it religious, if you want to make it as a subject, please do Bhagavad Gita as a subject, please do Bible as a subject, then do everything as a subject. Otherwise, don't do anything as a subject. Simple and sweet. Put education to the education. And I'm really thankful to the people who are supporting this. And on a sweet note, I just want to close that people have good quality of education. Do not impose anyone. Religious is completely our personal choice. That's it. Thank you.
Inspected the school. What questions you have raised in the school?
I have raised questions like how many diaries has been mentioned the same thing, on how many student diaries has been mentioned the same thing. They haven't responded for that. I clearly asked, I want to check all the diaries. Now they didn't do that. So again I asked, initially I asked, what is this on the students diary? They said that it is a religious practice and mandatory for everyone. Do you really think that all students need to learn this and it is mandatory for all the students? Then they were telling simply it's a religious practice. Then again after some time they were telling that we have written by mistake.
Here the school management of terminated the teacher.
Yes.
What are you going to do?
I am really thankful to the school management because they have taken the strict action on this, because this we don't know. We have seen the diary and we have literally raised our voice. I don't know on how many diaries and how many houses this has been going and this has been continuing. We are unaware of it, right? I just want to give the awareness that do not impose such things, because that is completely related to religious. That is nowhere related to this subject. And please put subject as a subject and religion as a religion. Do not mix both of them. That is completely a wrong practice. People and students will definitely get brainwashed because of it.
এই ঘটনার পর স্কুল কর্তৃপক্ষ দ্রুত পদক্ষেপ করে। অভিযোগের মুখে থাকা শিক্ষিকার চাকরির থেকে বরখাস্ত করা হয় তাকে। একই সঙ্গে পুরো ঘটনার তদন্ত শুরু হয়েছে। পুলিশ জানিয়েছে সংশ্লিষ্ট তৃতীয় শ্রেণীর বিভাগে 25 জন পড়ুয়া ছিল, তাদের মধ্যে 24 জন মুসলিম, মাত্র একজন হিন্দু ছাত্র। তবে পুলিশ আরও জানিয়েছে যে কোনো সরকারি বা স্বীকৃত শিক্ষা প্রতিষ্ঠানে নির্দিষ্ট কোনো ধর্মীয় শিক্ষা বাধ্যতামূলক করে দেওয়ার শিক্ষানীতির পরিপন্থী হতে পারে, সেই দিকটি খতিয়ে দেখা হচ্ছে। কি বলছেন পুলিশ আধিকারিক, শুনবো।
In Saidabad police station limit in school, there was an incident which came to our police notice, in which we got to know that in second class student there were almost 25 students in second class in school. In this school, one lady teacher who wrote in the homework that everyone has to read Kalma. So out of these 25 students, all were the Muslim students only, but one Hindu student was there. So it was a complete violation of the education policy as well as the school policy that she wrote that all students should read Kalma. Accordingly, the parents came in evening to the police station as well as to school also. So in this, school management has taken action also. Already the MD of this school, Ubaid Patel, he has given a statement and also did the termination of that school teacher who wrote and who did the violation of the school policy, as well as from the parent side also they have given a clear statement and given the written statement to the police as well as to the school department that they do not have any kind of issues from the management or the school policy. Already they have taken the action and parents are satisfied with the action taken. So from parent side also there is no complaint to the police station. So definitely police is monitoring all the situation. Today also we have put the proper bandobast here and all people are supporting also, including the parents as well as the school management, school teachers. So already the action has been taken in this thing and that school teacher has been terminated. So I expect that all people should do the cooperation. They should not spread any kind of Hindu-Muslim hatredness or any kind of communalism. From the police side also, we'll monitor the proper situation. Let me tell you that as a DCP Charminar Zone, please do not entertain any kind of rumors. Already all peoples from the school management, parents, everyone is on the same side. There is nothing. And from the police side, we'll give the proper briefing. So please focus on and please trust on the only the officer statement only.
এই ঘটনাকে কেন্দ্র করে রাজনৈতিক প্রতিক্রিয়াও শুরু হয়েছে। বিজেপি এবং বিশ্ব হিন্দু পরিষদের কর্মীরা স্কুলের বাইরে বিক্ষোভ দেখান, সেই ছবিও দেখালাম আপনাদের। সঙ্গে রাখুন আজ তাক বাংলাকে। আপনার মতামত জানান কমেন্ট সেকশনে, সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবেন না।